Hi, I am Shuchita. I am an undergraduate from GCG 11.
Hi, I'm Rusty. People call me by that name.
My name is Sukhmani and I am doing BA first year from MCM College.
I I love writing and I love traveling. That is a combination of that which I want to pursue in my future.
I really love dancing and it brings a lot of happiness to me. It is a source through which I can express myself, and I don't think I can explain it through words. It's really good when I dance.
Okay, when I was little, I had different passions, and passions grow with people as you mature up. I want lots of money. It's as simple as that. So, um, writing's been my passion forever since, say, fourth or fifth class.
अभी तक जहाँ पे मैंने जितनी जगहों पे भी आई हैव टेकन कोचिंग, आई थिंक मतलब इतना नहीं है. whatever they say उतना तो वो सिखाते भी नहीं जितना they say. So I am not that satisfied.
In India, there is literally nobody tells you anything. I had to Google up literally all colleges and all the major colleges are paid advertisements up on Google. So that becomes a. I don't think if you are ever planning to get into an alternate field, there is no humanly chance that you can do that without dropping a year.
बात दो है मतलब माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी मच इन सपोर्ट विद मी एंड कभी मेरे को मना नहीं किया, कभी नहीं कुछ कहा. they've always encouraged me.
They are not very happy, but they are very supportive. Actually, what they want me to do is to pursue this for some years and after that go into this education field and become a lecturer or a professor or something like that. But they are very in this thing they support me that if you want to become a journalist and you want to travel, you can do that.
I was forever into writing, and English was pretty comfortable growing up in an environment at my home. My mom's an English lecturer, so parents also perceived me, and I also personally always wanted to go into a media. I think Yuvshala is doing a very good job because it goes into schools rather than expecting children to contact them. Yuvshala is doing a good job in exposing children to different opportunities in choosing a best career path.
Before meeting the Yuvshala team, I always knew that journalism is the thing for me. Traveling was a hobby. It was different. I never thought something can be done with both of them together. Yuvshala team is in constant touch with me through email, through a special account on Yuvshala website, and also through Facebook.
It was good. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. My cousin told me about Yuvshala and he was actually very excited कि नहीं मैंने की काउंसलिंग करानी है युवशाला से. वो काफ़ी अच्छी काउंसलिंग करते हैं, उन्होंने मेरी भी काउंसलिंग करी थी. इट रियली हेल्प. तो तुम भी जाओ, तुम मतलब तुम्हारे भी उन्हीं से करानी है. तो इसलिए मेरी काउंसलिंग शिद्दत से नहीं की थी.